Today we're doing a small asphalt pothole repair. Keep watching the video. Hey guys, it's Jeff Lepard from doitallsealing.com. On this channel, we do asphalt repair, paving, driveway sealing, and much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Today, we're going to be doing a small asphalt pothole repair. So the very first thing we need to do, we just need to mark out the area before we begin our saw cuts. The next step, we're going to use our walk behind core diamond saw, and we're going to cut this patch out. So I don't have any water access right now with a hose, but I have a sprayer which I'm going to keep water on the blade to keep the dust down. We've got our mask for our protection, breathing. We've got our goggles, and I already have my ear protection from the noise from the saw. So I'm going to start it up and I'm going to cut this out. Right now I'm going to be excavating the existing asphalt. I'm going to be dumping that into the truck, and just by noticing, I've already noticed that this whole complex has actually been capped over the existing asphalt, which isn't really the best way to pave. It's a very cheaper, inexpensive way to pave, but the asphalt unfortunately doesn't last as long. I can tell that just by the layer, the thickness of the asphalt here, it's very thin. So it's been capped over at least 1 or 2 times, so I'm going to excavate the entire patch, and that's how I'm going to know that my patch is actually going to last longer than the complex asphalt itself. So I'm going to get started chipping away and get rid of this broken asphalt. So I've just excavated a little bit of an access cut for my Bobcat loader to rip out the rest of the patch. There's 3 layers of asphalt, so it's been capped over, and then you have the original asphalt. So I'm excavating everything, and I'm going to put new base down before I put my base asphalt and I put the top coat. I've just excavated the 3 layers of asphalt, and now I'm ready to fix the base. So I'm going to use the Bobcat loader to scoop the granular A gravel and apply that to the patch before we apply asphalt. So I'm just going to rake this out, and I'm going to plate tamp it after. Before we apply the asphalt, we're going to apply some glue around the sides of the existing asphalt for better bondage. We just dropped the base coat of asphalt for the first lift. I'm just going to rake it out before I plate tamp it. Now that my base lift of asphalt is done, I'm going to re-tack the base and the sides once again before the final lift of asphalt. So right now I have the final lift, final layer of asphalt. I'm going to apply it now to the patch. Then I'm going to rake it, lute it, and just clean up the edges. Let that settle for a little bit before I plate tamp that, and then we're finished. Just gonna edge the patch now to make it nice and square. Okay, so I just finished plate tamping that. I'm gonna put some pylons around there and let it cool down for a few hours, and that should be it. So that's how you do a pothole repair. We're just gonna let this sit a little while before traffic can resume. We're gonna use our broom and just clean up around the area before we get out of here. So that's it. Just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos, share the video, give us a thumbs up, and hey, we'll see you next time from DudeAllCeiling.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.